What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Vaughn. We're back at the game with another POV drive, you dig? So right now we on the highway, you dig what I'm saying? Or, you feel me? We just chopping it up on the road right here. I don't know who wants smoke. I don't know nothing. You feel me? But, you feel me? I'm gonna put this shit in sport. You dig what I'm saying? I'm gonna put this shit in sport right now. Dig? This shit crazy out here, boy. I don't know what niggas is on. I don't know who wants smoke. I just put this shit in Sport Plus, in Sport, and this shit moving right already, man. You feel me? So I don't know who wants smoke, bro. I hate these trucks, bro. You dig? Let me hurry up and move in front of this shit. Yeah, the engine, my nigga. Let me turn. Oh shit. Yeah, that engine revving, boy. I think I'ma tune this shit up, you feel me? I'm in a Honda right now, you dig? Honda Accord Sport. You feel me? I don't know if there's a lot of fan base within those type of cars, but you think I'm saying? I think I'ma tune it up or something. Or do straight pipe or get a muffler delete or some shit. You dig what I'm saying? But I don't know who wanna smoke with me, you feel me? Even though I'm not really cutting it up like that. You feel me? I'm not really cutting it up like that, but yeah, I'm open to races, you feel me? But I'm just cruising it. Let me cut up a little bit real quick. Should I? I'm gonna do that shit right now. What is this? Fucking traffic, my nigga. Why there's traffic, bro? It's too early for this shit, my nigga. Like, what the fuck? Alright. I see this boy trying to cut up or something. Or not. Hey, say, yo, like, since I got this car, bro, I haven't used the fucking paddle shifters, bro. Bro, I feel like if I use this shit gonna be moving dumb fast as fuck. You feel me, bro? I haven't used this shit in a minute, bro. Like, I think I'm gonna use these paddle shifters right now too. Let me try some. I need a good length of you call that shit space, bro, so that I could use this shit and show y'all niggas like what the fuck this car can do. You dig? Like, what's niggas on, man? See what I'm saying? Let me move away from this fucking truck, man. This fucking truck is giving me anxiety, bro. Fucking truck, bro. This shit giving me fucking anxiety. Cut it up, bitch! Cut it up, nigga! What niggas on, man? Oh, shit! Hey! Yo, what the fuck, jit? I'm gonna get the fuck out of this bum ass lane, nigga. Niggas tweaking out here, son. Car moving, bro. What exit I'm coming off at? I'm coming off at exit fucking 10, nigga. Wait, acting like you ain't know which exit you coming off, bitch ass ball. Hey, bro, I just like my own company, man. Like, I don't got nobody with me. You feel me? Sometimes staying by yourself, bro, is always, most of the time, is always good. You dig? You don't got nobody to be bothering you or nothing. You feel me? Like, this shit is crazy. Like, sometimes self, bro. Sometimes you gotta stay within the self. Sometimes you get good answers, good, you know what I mean? Like, good feedback when you talk to yourself. You can call me crazy if you want to say it, because I said that I talk to myself, but you feel me? You gotta talk to yourself sometime, man. You the only one that understand yourself. You dig what I'm saying? You're the only one that understand yourselves. Because sometimes you be sharing your personal things to other people, bro, and like they're not understanding nothing what you're talking about. Am I talking facts or not? I know I am. You dig? I know I'm talking facts, bro. You hear me? But yeah, so we coming off of exit 10 right here. You feel me? Yeah, bro, this Sport Plus shit, this Sport Plus is crazy. Now, like I said, we coming off of this shit, and I'm gonna go on the other highway, going back. You feel me? And then I think I want to start to use the paddle shifters. But I'm telling you, the car gonna be moving OD fast as fuck when you use the paddle shifters. You feel me? Bro, what car's doing that shit, man? You hear that shit? Oh, that fucking Infiniti, bro. That fucking Infiniti, bro. Do you want to smoke? Do that Infiniti want to smoke with me or not? I don't think so. I think he's just chilling. You know what I'm saying, man? Yo, what's your favorite bottled water, bro? Oh, this is my favorite water bottle. Comment down below what your favorite water bottle is, bro. I fucking love Poland Spring. I know some niggas that be on here, bro. They like that. What's that shit called? Some other shits like Dasani or Aquafina. You feel me? I like Poland Spring, man. Poland Spring is the best fucking water, nigga. Fuck talking about. You hear me? Hey, say BTH, nigga. You hear me? Hey, say. Let me drive this butt shit, nigga. Fuck talking about. Let me drive this fucking shit, nigga. You hear me? Hey, say, what's your favorite artist, man? Jamaican artist. Mine is Alkaline right here. Well, one of them. I say, comment down below what your favorite artist is, man. Jamaican artist. Y'all like Vybz Kartel? Y'all like Popcorn? Is it? Turn up the shit, you hear me? I say, niggas, yeah. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, look at these shits over here and shit, man. He's tweaking. Yeah, we're going back on this highway over there. We're going back over there. You feel me? We're going back that way. We go back on the down on the hill, right? And then go on the fucking highway. And then we're gonna be using the paddle shifters and shit. You dig? Yo, matter of fact, nigga, yo. To anybody that's watching, bro, let me know, bro. Should I tint the windshield, bro? This shit is like a fishbowl right now. This whole shit is tinted, but the windshield, bro, I like privacy. You feel me? I don't like niggas looking at me. I don't like nobody looking at me, bro. You feel me? So tell me down below what y'all think, man. Think I should get the windshield tinted? I probably will get like the lightest shade or some shit, or like probably get the second to lightest. You feel me, bro? I don't like niggas looking at me, bro. You feel me? I feel that the car is naked right now. No gay shit. You feel me? Bro, on gang, nigga. On gang, nigga.